Mark's Reviews Tutorials video. I'm going to show you here just the basics in casting. I've got the type of reel that's got a flip over handle here, very, very common, and they're great for casting. I've got a light line on, which is great for casting as well. The heavier line, the less distance it'll go, but with a light line, it's for more experience that you're going to know what to do if you get a fish on. If you see here, if I pull on that line, see that's unwinding. I've got it so that if something bites it and grabs hard, it doesn't break the line, it'll actually spin out. Now, in order to cast, what you need to do, I've got a bit of weight on here with a lure, and I'm just gonna get a bit of free play there. We open this up and hold the line with our hands so it's not dropping in the water or anything. You get a loop like that, then you come around here to where you want to cast, and you see you've got quite a bit of loose line here, and then you're going to use all of the power of the rod to flick that out. You use all of the length and all of the power of the rod. You can see that lure going out, 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 and then hitting over there. Then we stop that loose spooling line, and then hold the rod, see it's bending. You want the flex of the rod to bend a little bit, and that'll help keep your winding consistent, make it a bit more realistic for the fish. And you can vary your speed. Have a look at your lure when it's in close to see what it's doing. You want it to be moving and doing everything it can to look like a fish. Just keep on winding it in. Some lures will go deep, some will stay on the surface. When it's sunny like this, you want it, and it's a bit of a murky river, then you want it up near the surface a bit so it'll glint. It'll show off in the sun, it'll be noticed by the fish. There we go. Here's the lure in. This is the lure I'm using. You see it's got a lot of weight in the body. It's actually lead weight in the body here. This is also used in salt water. It's like a little minnow. That's what it's mimicking, and when the fish comes and grabs it, of course they grab that on the end there. But there you go, that's the basics of a cast. One more time for those who have stuck through the end of the video. You lift that out, you let it down as low as you can have it, get it so you've got line here, and then it's all about the releasing. You throw and release once you've started it going. Get it going, and then I released about here, and out she goes. Kick that over so that it brings up again. Pull it in. Good luck with your fishing and your casting.